Hi, I'm Riley Peterson. I'm a product manager over press tools for Milwaukee Tool. And I want to talk to you about the new CTS and IPS pivoting press rings. Like it says in the name, we offer new pivoting functionality, allowing users best access with our inline tools. Something unique that we've done is preventing mismatched ring jaws and rings by integrating our blocking system. You can see all of our rings and jaws are labeled with X3 and X4, all the way up to X6. You'll have it corresponding on both the ring jaw and the ring. Now, if you take a wrong sized ring, this one says X5 here, but we have our X4 on the tool, you'll be mechanically blocked out and not allowed to make an incorrect press. This is something our competitors allow, which out in the field can be pretty catastrophic, leading to unsuccessful presses. So here we have our pivoting press rings in action. We have our copper jungle gym. We hope that your plumbing doesn't look like this, but if it does, with the new pivoting functionality, you'll be able to see that the ring securely on our fitting here and ring jaw connected. You're able to make a press even in these super tight environments. This can be really helpful in repair applications or when working around other pipes, both residential and commercial sizes.